What is up, guys? Alright, so this is the part we have to change for today. We can finally test on our actual eval accounts. I just need to figure out how to get it picking an eval account. So I'm gonna connect. Ooh. See it moving, we see it moving. I'm gonna put my strategy on there. I'm gonna leave it as is and just hit enabled. Okay, this is on the sim account right now because I just want to hit sell
Order submitted
and watch it work. And while this happens, I want to see what I can do about the other part here, right? Leave this going.
Order canceled.
Sell.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Oh shoot, dude.
Order
We're just
submitted.
making money over here. Yeah, I really want to get this on my eval account now because it's really working.
Order canceled.
Get ChatGPT over here because I got some questions real quick, and I feel like Chatty could help me out. I'm just gonna quickly say, yo, what's up, chat? How?
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
Oh. Guys, I might have to go put socks on. I'm kind of cold. Not gonna lie. I'm going to get socks. Yeah.
Order canceled.
All right, I'm back. Yeah, alrighty. Now,
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
well, let's see how it
Order
works the other
filled.
way. Huh. I can just link it. It's linked at launch.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Dude, this strategy. It's so good.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
I don't think we've had a single loser yet. Mainly because if we do, it's going to destroy the account. This would be very clear. Alright, I am going to put this back over onto a different screen.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Actually take care of this. So again, while this is running, I'll put this here, put this here, put this here. And now in here, we need to actually set the account, right? It says on configure we can do it, and then on data loaded is where we can attach. And then on terminated is where we detach. Oh shoot.
Order filled. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
I want to get that point print taken out. That's just really clogging up the log now, because at this point I'm pretty confident with that. I was a little skeptical yesterday, but freezing it a bunch of times and seeing like the points look pretty much
Order
the same
submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
was good for me for now. Okay, so there's some things I still want to do.
Order filled.
All right, so at 5 contracts, we're negative $100-ish at negative 10 points. Makes sense. 5 contracts, $2 a point basically. Each tick is, yeah, I think it's $2 for each point. Just trying to see what this does here now, because this is like one of the spots that would be like a kind of like a catch here. We're trying to get saved by this 20 if it doesn't go down and hit that.
Order filled.
So it should only have to go to 1.25
Order submit.
now.
Order
Oh
canceled.
yeah, look at that. It took no profit, but
Order submitted.
2463. Let's see if this keeps changing.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay, so I'm thinking about ways to adjust this strategy, and definitely having it auto trigger itself, I think, is an idea based off of conditions we'll have to figure out.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Whoa, that moved too fast.
Order filled.
Yeah, I don't know what that one was for. Wondering if it tried to hit the order, tried to change it while it was getting hit, and it like took it off the market, and that's why those didn't sell. But that part we actually need to figure out, because that's like, that's dangerous, man. Actually, though. We want to do a little bit higher profit. I'm going to do 10 this time. I'm going to do 10-10. We're just gonna see.
Order submitted.
Oh yeah, I want to take that out. So it'll go to 10. Or if the 4 cell limit gets hit, it should go to 5. If the 20 cell limit gets hit, it should be 2.5. If the 75 limit gets hit, it should be 1.25. That's how the math is going to work right now on this strategy. Yeah, I think this still... Dang, at 10, it's like definitely a longer wait, right? Alright, yeah, I am watching that, but I'm fixing this, right? Alright. That, I think,
Order
should make it
filled.
so we can now just use this on our eval account. Should have to get to 5 now. 5, or it goes up and hits that, and then 2.5, it goes up and hits that, 1.25. 2522.50. I think we've been going up.
Order canceled.
Yeah. So.
Order submitted.
But yeah, we're about to put this onto a Rail.
Order filled.
Needs to hit 5. Strategy is actually like doing crazy good though.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Alright, all this stuff needs to get cleaned up, you know, but like when I say cleaned up, I mean made into a spot where it literally could be sold as a product. We're not far off.
Order filled.
Look at that. The number just keeps getting better. Watching this. All this stuff can get cleaned up. Alright. I want to see this. Exit this. I'll take this strategy off of this chart. And I'm going to open another chart actually. We're going to go to MNQ. We're going to use Apex.
Order submitted. Order
19.
canceled. Order submitted.
Why do these charts look so different, man? They're like this. Oh, wait, I wanted to... I'm going to keep it the lower profit target point on my actual account for now, just like the 5, just as we test this.
Order filled.
And let me actually pull up one other chart. We're going to make this one a 60-minute one.
Order canceled.
Dude, it's working. It's literally working.
Order submitted.
Alright, so I have the 60-minute chart. I'm going to just move that for 1 sec. I have the 30-second chart. I'm going to move that for 1 sec. And then once this sim is done, should be any second, I'm gonna reload the strategy. Like I said, it's just made some print changes so that we don't have all this stuff. We just see when it prints out the orders and stuff like that. And then it's on eval account, bro.
Order filled.
Whoa.
Order filled. Order canceled.
Alright, here's the thing ChatGPT is lying about. Pretty sure. I'm just gonna ask it real quick. Alright. Oh, on render is only in a strategy. Alright. Alrighty. So we're going to add some drawings soon, but I'm going to take this strategy off of the sim real quick. So it reloads. I'm going to do 1010 on this and enable it. Apply. Okay. And let me just make sure if I hit
Order
sell.
submitted.
Yeah, way less print statements. Sweet. Okay, so here's my other 30-second chart. This is where I'm going to have my actual account, right? Let's try it out. Strategies, manual trade manager. Leave that enabled. Apply. Okay. Attach to Sim 101. Attach to Sim 101. Attach to Sim 101. That's not what I want. Let's see what ChatGPT says about this.
Order filled.
Strategy management panel. Is this where I just have to pick account there. Attached.
Order submitted.
Alright guys, we're testing on a real account here. Let's see how it goes. So obviously we're gonna have to still, continue improving and adding things, but from what we saw so far with the sim, it's looking good. There's a couple spots where our
Order
orders
filled.
might get messed up.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
But I think this will be a lot safer for me. Alright, let me bring this back over here. So, on this chart, I'm just looking at the overall trend, so I can use this, I guess, to gauge my
Order canceled.
up and downs.
Order submitted.
I need to get my indicators back on here, though. Yeah, like the 200 is way lower than the current. Even though the current is so hard to see. I'm gonna change the color of that. That's actually like, come on, let's do magenta. Might be easier. Still a little hard to see. That's just the nature of it, dude.
Order filled.
Like, I'm definitely guessing that's going down. Oh, I want to have my fair value gap.
Order submit. Order filled.
Wait, did some of them get hit? I don't understand what happened.
Order filled.
Oh my god, I don't think I can have both of them open at the same time because it's going to be logging. And now I can't actually see what happened. I'm pretty sure for this one, like it thinks it closed. I'm in position 2.
Order canceled.
Okay, yeah, for now, I'm not testing on the sim account at the same time because I'm not going to be able to see what's happening. Now, I'm not sure right now if this is actually hitting the limit orders right because it should have set one immediately. For the whole amount. Like all this changing, that's I think the issue. It tried to do a change when it got like partially filled and then it didn't actually respond properly. Gosh. Alright, I mean, it's still working pretty good. I'm gonna close this one once it's green again. I should have done it at like 1. And then I'll restart it. And we'll work on that part while it runs.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Right. Letting it run, letting it run. Could you guys hear that? Dude, my stomach just made like the weirdest sound. is like there was like a pocket, and I'm like leaning on it, and there's a bubble, and then I like lean on it the right way where a little bit just sneaks through, like.
Order canceled.
But yeah, that's what it sounded
Order
like.
submitted.
Okay, so that was good. It's doing it again. I feel like it's like the coffee water combo. Guys, this is crazy. The strategy is like, it's so satisfying to watch it work.
Order filled.
Oh.
Order filled.
What? Dude, I need to close.
Order filled.
Okay, there it happened again. Gosh, dude. Why does it keep happening?
Order submitted.
So yeah, we'll let it keep running while we keep working on it. It's just annoying that I have to like get distracted from the working on it to fix it, but we gotta do what we gotta do. So
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Mm. Mm.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
It hit. My main concern is when this like flips on the 20 and goes to try to sell it and then crashes out. I should be testing this on Sim still. Alright, the next trade exit, I'm actually going to take it off of the Apex account. It's proven itself for today. I want to do some cleanup on it still. But this is like some good proof here where we're like feeling confident that it's definitely going in the right direction, you know? Mm. Okay, so if we're shorting, then if the current stop order's price is greater than target price, that's true, or whoa. Sorry, my OBS disconnected for a sec there. I don't know if you guys got that. I'm sure you did. There should have been like a small gap in time.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Did I just... I don't know. I thought I hit a button there that
Order submitted.
just did something. I hit like an accidental button on my keyboard. But no, it just hit the point.
Order canceled.
I want to do like a screen record. I mean, I'm doing it right now with the stream, but I want to get like a GIF to post. I think that'd be cool.
Order submitted.
So I think if we wanted it to go faster, I could adjust the profit targets and all the other thresholds so that everything's getting hit way faster. It would just put us at risk for larger jumps in the market. So what we should do actually, ultimately, is basically like how we have our trades staggered out. We do the same thing with the strategy instances. So the first one, when we hit buy or sell, it does it, and it does real close. And then there's like boom, 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 like 3 more that are further away, and 3 more that are further away. So it would have like
Order
9
filled.
trades total. Oh my gosh, dude, these points. If that 20 gets hit, I think we could make some good money, but otherwise we'll just make a little money. It's only partially filled there. Wild. So it's still going for the full 5 profit then, or it should be at least. It only starts to divide the profit target once those limits are fully hit. Or no, so it's going for 2.5 here, because we already hit the first one. Oh my gosh. How long is this gonna go for, dude? I just flashed it, dude. My magic's gone. This is an interesting case. If this works, this will be very promising. I mean, it should work.
Order filled.
Alright, guys. This is where it gets tricky. We're gonna see what happens. Trying to show this relative, so it's, you know, we really feel it's going down here. Alright guys, once this is captured here, I'm going to end the stream. We did some solid testing today. Really cool. That's finally on an eval account. I think the next thing really is to draw, so we have the information available to us on the screen, just on the chart. Like, I just want to have like the account name up in the top corner maybe, and I want to have it drawing a line like right here, wherever it thinks the current stop is going to be placed, and then maybe track like the actual P&L and stuff, so that this stuff up here
Order
doesn't need to be up.
submitted.
Yo.
Order filled. Order
Okay, so
filled.
it definitely stopped working at the end there. don't know if we saw that. This urgently needs to get hit. But oh. We're up $200 today, purely using the strat. Pretty crazy. almost have my GIF up, just like last minute touch ups here. I do want to look at the log and see what happened. Whoa, those are my pictures of me. What? Oh. Gosh. How do I reduce the size of this thing, dog? Almost. I almost had it. There we go. Okay, I got it. Did it not attach? Or is it because it's... Maybe it's the file type. Oh my god. Alright. So actually, I'm going to go to post in the trading journal, and I'll post it here because I traded today, you know, so let's do whatever. Slow loading, like I told you guys earlier this week. We will be updating that soon. This has to do with how some of these pages are structured. Alrighty. Cool stuff, guys. This is so cool. Where's my other chart? Is this it? What the? Dude. In that time that I wasn't watching, oh my god. But wait, where's this? Yeah, I mean, holy cow. That was up here, and I was like, oh, it's gonna drop. Oof. I mean, I could have made a ton there, but could have lost a ton too. I'm happy with the 200-ish today, and that fast of a move could have probably broken my strategy, to be honest, so. But alright. Thanks for tuning in again today, guys. And we're just gonna keep on making this better. I may do a stream this weekend, just to code. Just some of these features that are left. It's very close to being like an actual product, actually. But I do have some other work I have to do this weekend, so we'll see. Otherwise, my plans are to make some pumpkin puree today, so I should capture some of that on a video for you guys. And yeah, until then, I will either see you this weekend or definitely Monday morning. I know, I'm pretty sure it's a holiday, right? Isn't it a holiday? But that doesn't matter for me. It's Columbus Day on Monday. So even if the markets are closed, we can still program and simulate. So, but yeah. Thanks for tuning in, everyone, and I will catch you next time.